Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to do our hair in our bun ahead of our shows and exams. Today you're going to need a bobble, a brush, a comb, hairspray, a hairnet, bun pins and your dancer's accessory. This is our dancer Imogen and she's going to help me show you how to do the hair ahead of the show. I find working with unclean, unwashed hair is always best, as when it's just been washed it's a little bit too shiny and soft to be holding back into a bun. So you just want to start by brushing through with your dancer's hair. I use just a normal brush and then I gather it all into my hands with a bobble ready and start pulling all of the hair back behind the face. You want to use a finely toothed comb and some hairspray to start slicking back all of the baby hairs around the face and the nape of the neck. Use your comb to pull back the hair, gather it into your hands in line with the ears, just slightly above the tip of the ear. Gather it into your hands and try and keep the hair that's pulled back as neat as possible without any bumps or lumps. Alright, now we've got that into a ponytail, I'm going to give it one last spray so that we can get all of those wispy bits back. And then I'm going to comb through it one last time, pulling any little bumps back close to the bobble, which will be hidden by the bun when we start to create it. As you can see, we've got some of the little bumps that I've pulled back with the comb. Now they're close to the bobble. This is all right as we're going to hide it now as we start to twist the bun. You're going to take the ponytail, twist as you go, and you need to use these curvy grips, not the curvy grips that have got one straight end. You want the two waves on either side. These are bun pins. You're going to twist the ponytail around and then use your bun pin to go through the hair that's held in your hand, the bun section, then through the hair that's on the head. From there, you pull it over, back, down and round, and then push it in towards the bun. I'll show you that again a little bit closer up. So here I go again, through the bun, through the hair on the head, pull it round and push it in towards the bum. If your dancer has fine hair, you won't need to do as many, but the thicker your dancer hair is, you'll need more bun pins. I'm going to repeat the step as I keep moving my hair around in a circular motion and twisting it at the same time. Keep putting in as many pins as you need to hold it into place. Imogen's hair has recently been cut, so the ends are a little bit thicker. With that, you need to keep twisting, and if any little spiky bits stick out, don't worry, we'll catch them at the end with our hairnet. We're going to go in with our hairnet, make sure this matches your dancer's hair colour. We're going to loop it round twice, and then any extra we're going to tuck that in with some more bun pins. The bun pins will keep the hairnet from falling out, so just add a few more round each side of the bun. We're going to go in with one last spray of hairspray, making sure every single wispy bit is kept away off the face. From here, if your dancer has been given any accessories, you can add them in, whether that be a scrunchie, as we're demonstrating here, or a little bow or ribbon. You can clip that in. Most of our accessories will be listed as being on the right hand side of the dancer's bun, just so that they're all the same.
Front. Little smile. And just another time. Look up.
Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you all at the show.